Hello everyone. So today we're starting another sound, another new sound. So we have got a d, a g and an a, and this just makes the j sound. J. So my turn, j. Your turn. My turn, j. Your turn. Lovely. And on our picture side says Hedgehog on a bridge. And it's got a little picture that the hedgehog's called Sonic and he's running across a bridge. So, because hedgehogs have spikes, maybe you could give yourself some spikes when you see it. So, my turn, j, your turn. My turn, j, your turn. My turn, Hedgehog on a bridge, your turn. Wonderful. Now I am going to hide it in our pack and we're going to do a quick recap of some of our set 3 sounds and our year 1 sounds. So, ready, your turn. Ooh. My turn, your turn. Your turn. My turn or your turn. Your turn. My turn, j, your turn. My turn, j, your turn. My turn, j, your turn. Fab. Your turn. Ooh. My turn, v, your turn. My turn. Oh, I did that well. My apologies. Oh, I forgot to hide our card. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. Wah. Your turn. My turn. Ooh, your turn. Your turn. My turn, j, your turn. Fab. Oh, I lied it again. Your turn. My turn, a, your turn. Same sound, but a split digraph. Your turn. My turn, a, your turn. Your turn. My turn, I, your turn. Your turn. My turn, ooh, your turn. My turn, shush, your turn. Your turn. My turn, j, your turn. I think we'll hide it once more. And I think when you see it this time, you can shout, ja, like that. So my turn, shun, your turn. Your turn. My turn, oh, your turn. Your turn. My turn, or your turn. Your turn. My turn, your turn. Your turn. My turn, ja, your turn. My turn, ja, your turn. My turn, ja, your turn. Lovely, your turn. And my turn, your turn. Super duper, so I think we'll stop right there and then Freddie will come and say Hi. Hi, Freddie. Freddie, what's your favourite animal? Hedgehog. A hedgehog. And that's got a new sound in it. A pretty little hedgehog. You might have seen a hedgehog before at the park. There's one in my back garden sometimes. And I feed it cat food. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds that we'll do today. Lovely. So show me your fingers. Give them a bit of a stretch. Oof. Put them to the left. Put them to the right. Give them a bit of a jazz hands. Lovely. So first one. 1, 2, 3 sounds. Remember this is j, j, j. So 1, 2, 3. My turn. Fa, j. Your turn. Fa, j. My turn. Fa, j. Your turn. Now let's segment it and blend it all in one. My turn. Fudge. Fudge. Your turn. And fudge is like a chewy sweet. I really like fudge. Sometimes I like to treat myself to it. And the next one. 1, 2, 3. Again, so 3 fingers. My turn. J. Your turn. My turn. J. Your turn. My turn. J. Badge. Your turn. Wonderful. You might wear a little badge. I have a little badge that I wear at school sometimes. Lovely. Oh, one more sound this time. So 4 fingers. Ready? My turn. J. Your turn. My turn. J. Make sure you're using your front fingers. Your turn. My turn. J. Bridge. Your turn. So you might have been under a bridge before, or you might have been on a bridge. You might have walked on a bridge over something. Sometimes they're over water. Wonderful. So, last one already. We've fired through today. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Show me 4. Ready? J. Your turn. J. Your turn. My turn. J. Your turn. Now let's segment one last time. My turn. J. Your turn. Now let's blend. My turn. J. Fridge. Your turn. Your turn. Fridge. Fridge. You might have one in your kitchen where you keep your food. I go to my fridge too often sometimes because I love snacks. So, that being said, we will just grab our new sound to have a look at. Oh, where's it gone? Here it is. And we will have a go at typing a couple of, writing a couple of green words. So let's try fridge, because f can be tricky. So when you're doing a f, you start on the line and you go up and you flick all the way round. And then and then the d, g, f, j. Fridge. It's a trigraph. 3 letters to make one sound. So this j is a trigraph. And let's try another one. I think we will try, what was one of our words? Badge. In fact, let's try badger. You know the badgers that are in the After the Storm story. So, badger. Badger. So, badger. Let's just do badge actually. Badger. Badge. Badge. So, j is a trigraph. 3 letters to make one sound is a trigraph. What are 3 letters to make one sound called? Very good. Well done, everybody. Brilliant as ever. And have a brilliant day. And give us a wave. Woo.